So guys, in this video we are going to make a new project. For doing that we need to go to Unity Hub, and after that click on New Project, then choose 3D Built-in Render Pipeline or Universal 3D. Choose one of them, then choose the name that you want for your project. I'm going to choose Escape Room. Then after that, choose the location that you want. Then Unity Organization. Then click on Create a Project. It can take a little bit of time. In the next video, we are going to import our asset for this game. See you in the next video.